How to create a statement of account. What is a statement of account? In this module, you will be able to create a billing statement for your customer. How do you create a statement of account? From the main menu, go to Customers and select Statement of Account. At the upper right side of the window, click Create. Fill in the necessary information. Please note that all fields with an asterisk are required, while those without the asterisk are optional information. Statement number. Select the prefix if applicable, then provide the reference number or use the auto-numbering suggestion by the system. Please note, prefixes for statement of account can be set up from the miscellaneous settings. Statement date. The date the statement is prepared. Select the invoice's date range that you want to generate in the Invoice Date From and Invoice Date To field. Select the customer of the items from the list. Statement due date, when the statement is due for collection. Noted by the assigned person. Billing center, company branch billing the invoices. Fill in the necessary remarks for easier tracing of the statement of account. You can also input to whom the statement will be attention to. Select your desired setting to generate your statement by invoice or by item. If by invoice, you can select the drop-down beside the Generate button to per invoice. If you choose per invoice from the checkboxes under per invoice, you can select what to include, whether open invoice only and or with payments, invoice status, and remarks. You may also choose to show the gross amount. If you select per item, there are a few choices you can select also how to generate your statement, such as including the following: item name, description, quantity, price, unit measure, total per invoice, or even group them by item. Whether you select per invoice or per item, there are a few options you can set. To include balance forwarded, include invoices previously generated, include the PO number, due date, and discount. If you're done selecting your desired options, you may now click Generate. The system will generate the unpaid and open invoices based on the options set. Then you may select the specific invoices to bill and check the total amount. For additional settings, you may click on the gear icon to show how you can set the statement's order and formatting, input additional notes, and to even include the aging of receivables. Once you're done, click Save and select either of the following saving options. Save and close if you want to save a transaction and no longer wish to create a new statement of account. Save and new if you wish to save the transaction and create a new statement of account. Save and print if you wish to save a transaction and print it. To set your default statement settings, you may go to General Settings, then Sales and Collection tab at the lower portion. You have just created your statement of account.